Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm gonna talk about my favorite travel items in 2023. So I am someone who always travels with carry-on only, which means that having items that pack up very small and don't take up a lot of space is quite essential. So in this video I'm gonna share some of my favorite travel items. Most of these items I bring with me on almost every trip that I make. So let's get into it. And also, if you like travel content and would like to see more travel related videos, then make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss another video from me. The first item I want to present to you in this video is my Turkish Hammam towel. So I have the Turkish Hammam towels in two different sizes, and one of them is not with me at home right now, but this one is just a bit bigger, still quite small. As you can see, this one doesn't take up a lot of space. I like Turkish Hammam towels a lot more than these microfiber travel towels, which they're marketed to be very lightweight and take up less space and dry very quickly, which is true. They usually pack up very small. I've used one of those before, but I think a Turkish Hammam towel is just a lot more comfortable to use. I don't personally like that microfiber towels. I don't find them very comfortable and I don't really enjoy using them. So when I found out about Turkish Hammam towels, I was very happy. So as I said, these are available in different sizes and also different thicknesses, but also this one is very convenient. And my next item I want to present to you is my oil cleanser. I believe these are available from different brands. I use one from a Finnish brand called Luonkos, but I think also, is it Ethics? I think they have a similar one. So I use this one for cleaning my skin, my face, and also removing any waterproof makeup. This is really great for that. And as you can see, it's not liquid, which I like because it doesn't take up space in my liquids bag. It's very long lasting, so this small piece lasts me forever, and it also fits in this random container I have, which fits perfectly in my toiletry kit. So if you're someone, a female, male, whoever, who likes to cleanse your skin every day, then this is a great thing to bring on your trip because, as I said, it takes up no space in your liquids especially, and it's very effective and it lasts forever. Another favorite travel item for me is shampoo and conditioner bars. I have used a few different ones before. Right now I'm really into a Finnish brand called Famo, which makes these shampoo and conditioner bars that look like owls, which I find very cute. I usually put the shampoo and conditioner bars in this bag that I have. It's my favorite way to carry shampoo and conditioner on my trips because, again, shampoo and conditioner bar means that they don't take up any space in my liquids. They last forever as well, and I just find them very user-friendly and very nice to use. They're good for my hair, and yeah. Oh, by the way, all of these items, or most of them, I will try to find everything on Amazon, so I can link them below in the description. And my next travel item is also related to my toiletry kit for when I'm traveling, and it's this travel razor in this very convenient case. As you can see, it's super small, and again, this takes up little space in my toiletry kit. And also, you can actually change the blade on this one, and it's also very comfortable to use because it's this plastic silicone thing, so it's very ergonomic to use even though it's this small. It's a small investment, but it makes a lot of sense if you travel a lot. One item that I'm very happy about that I got is this Peak designed tech pouch. So this tech pouch is not cheap compared to the travel razor, which is 10 euros or less than that. This one I think is 60 to 70 euros on Amazon, so about 70 bucks. But it's just really good because I carry quite a lot of electronics with me. I have some camera gear, and if I'm working abroad, then I of course have my laptop with all the cables, chargers, SSD, what else, USB-C hubs and things like that. So I like to keep them all in one and same place. If you know Peak Design, if you're familiar with them, you might know that they actually do very high quality gear. You can see the quality in the price and the price in the quality. This is not a minimalistic tech pouch because it does have quite a few different compartments. I will try to show you. So it opens up like this. And you can see inside it's kind of like this origami thing going on here. It also has like small compartments like this one. In here you can see there's like a zippered pocket. This fits most of my tech gear. Like it doesn't obviously fit my camera or my laptop or stuff like that, but anything like smaller than that fits in here, and it's just very convenient. And even though it's quite like heavy duty, kind of bulky, it still fits a lot for its size, and also it looks really nice. Look at this. It's a nice color. It's very sleek, and I just like the way it looks. It feels very high quality, so I'm expecting this to last for me for years, which is great. So if you're traveling with a lot of electronics or other things like that that you want to have in one and same place, then I think the tech pouch from Peak Design is a good choice. And also, like, it's a high quality, it costs a bit more, but it's an investment because it will last you for a long time. Okay, so this product is a product that I don't bring with me on every trip because it's more for like those long haul flights, and it's the Cabo Evolution S3 travel pillow. What makes this travel pillow very convenient? Well, first of all, it fits in this pouch thing, so it can pack up quite compact. It's quite compact when you pack it in the pouch, but it's actually like flat on like the back. So when you put it around you, you can actually like get it really close to the seat, which is really nice and ergonomic, because then you're not like, your head is not like this, you know, it's like this. And it has these straps in the back, so if you're like in the airplane and they have like those like pillows or whatever they're called on the seats, then you can just strap it around that and it will like be stuck there, so your head is not moving around a lot, it just stays in the place, and it's just very convenient. And also it's very like, this is a really comfortable travel pillow because you can see it goes quite high, so it actually supports my neck. You can like attach these here, and then you're like this the whole trip, and it's just really nice for like flights that are like 10 hours or so. So yeah, this one is not really cheap either. This is a travel pillow on the more expensive side. I believe it was like 30 to 40 euros, so about 40 USD. But it's just really, really nice. So yeah, this is definitely not something I bring on with me on every trip, especially if I'm only traveling in Europe. I'm from Finland, by the way, so that if the flights are just a couple of hours, I won't bring this. But if I know I'm gonna be on the flight for a long time, or I have some other like transportation that will take me hours, like a lot of hours, then this is a really good choice to have, or option to have available for those kind of trips. So yeah, for long haul flights, I will bring it. I love it, and I don't regret buying this one. This pouch actually attach like this on the backpack, which is very convenient as well. So my next item on this list is, and will forever be, noise cancelling headphones. I currently have 2 pairs of different noise cancelling headphones. I have the AirPods Pro from Apple, and then I also have the Bose noise cancelling headphones, which you might be familiar with if you have been watching my travel videos or packing videos in particular. So yeah, I have them in their own little case, and these are like over-ear headphones, while these are like earbuds, headphone buds things to put in your ear. So this will be very convenient for shorter trips because they take up so little space, but I think for long haul flights I might still bring these bigger headphones. But yeah, I've said this before and I will say it again, I will never again travel without noise cancelling headphones because I don't really enjoy listening to the engine sound or listening to screaming children. It's just not my cup of tea, and with noise cancelling headphones you can block all that out, which is really nice. And if you want to get some sleep on the flight, I know a lot of you probably can't sleep on flights, but if you want to try, then like this combined with these is a great option and will make sleeping a bit easier. One small and very affordable item that I love is this small mirror from Muji. I've talked about this one before. I actually have a separate video about what's in my toiletry kit, which you can check out here. I will link it somewhere here. But anyway, in that video as well, I mentioned things like my shampoo and conditioner bar, my travel razor, and this small mirror from Muji. It's just very convenient because it's small, it's flat, it takes up no space, and sometimes the lighting in the bathrooms or in the toilets is really shit. And even though I don't really wear a lot of makeup like overall, and neither when I'm traveling, it's just very convenient to have a small mirror like this if you want to do like put on some mascara or put some makeup on your eyebrows and stuff like that. Then a small mirror like this one is really convenient. And speaking of my toiletry kit, the one I'm currently traveling with is the Travel On Compact Hanging Toiletry Bag. I have a few items here which I don't take out ever, like my travel razor, the Muji mirror, and some contacts, some band-aids, because I don't need them in my daily life. Oh gosh. But yeah, this is the Travel On Compact Hanging Toiletry Bag kit. I will link it down below as well, and it's just very convenient because it's quite compact. Like you can see how flat the material is, very thin, so it doesn't take up a lot of space in my bag, but it fits everything I need, which is great. And I also like these compartments. Usually I have like my deodorant in this one, and here I have my travel razor, and here I will keep the cleanser, my facial cleanser. And here is a smaller like zipped pocket. Here's a bigger zipped pocket. So yeah, it's just very good, and I've been really happy with this one. It was about 20 euros, give or take. So very good. And this toiletry kit, I've used it for a year. I use it on all my trips and travels outside my home. It's been holding up very well, and it's still in great shape. So yeah, super happy with this Travel On Travel toiletry kit, and nothing here is sponsored, just my honest opinion. If I had to pick one pair of shoes to bring to a warm climate destination, it would be the Birkenstock Arizona EVAs. These are my favorite sandals of all time. The price quality ratio on these is super good because they're super comfortable. They're like $30 to $40 or euros, and they're like the Birkenstock quality, so they're very high quality and they're very like durable, because I've been using these for like 2 years now on all my like warm climate trips, and they're like in really good condition. And what I really like about these is that they're super lightweight. They're not like the original Birkenstock Arizonas, which are made of leather and cork, I believe. These are like a plastic, some kind of plastic material, but they're just very lightweight, and since they're like made from this plastic material, they also dry very quickly. So they're great if you're like on the beach, and like if you get these wet, it's no problem because they dry up so quickly, and they're just very convenient. So if you want to get like a good pair of sandals for your trips, then these are a great choice. And I actually traveled to Portugal in September, and I only brought these sandals, which was interesting because I live in Finland, and when I came back in Finland, the weather wasn't really warm, so I had to wear socks with sandals, which is a whole other story, and let's not talk about that anymore. If you're walking a lot, then I'd recommend just getting a good pair of sandals like these ones. So Super Sparrow is currently my favorite water bottle brand. That might sound a bit weird, but this insulated water bottle, really good because it keeps my water cold. And me and my boyfriend Yuso, shout out to Yuso by the way, he found these water bottles for us originally, but we've been carrying these with us on all our trips. And I really enjoy that this is like with, the lid is like this straw lid, like this. And it's insulated, as I said, so it keeps my water cold, and it's just very convenient to use. I love this one. So at the start of this video, I mentioned my Osprey 40-liter backpack, and the one that I'm currently using is the 4.40. If you've been watching my packing videos, then you know that I use this a lot. This is my favorite backpack. It's 40 liters, so it can fit in the like carry-on size for most airlines, I believe, and it's been great. It's very durable. Like Osprey makes so durable, so high quality bags, so I can definitely recommend them for anyone. And like the price quality ratio is really good. I've had no complaints with the Osprey bags. One slightly negative thing about the 4.40 is that the laptop sleeve is at the front. So the laptop sleeve is actually like in the front here instead of in the back, which would, in my opinion, make more sense, because when you pack this like full, it gets like round, if you catch my drift, and then it can be a bit hard to get the laptop in this sleeve. That's my only like complaint about the 4.40, but I believe, if I'm not mistaken, they've actually changed that. They've made like an updated version of this backpack, so in that version I believe the laptop sleeve is in the back instead of in the front, which is a great update. But otherwise it's hold up so well. It's super durable. The zippers work very well. So yeah, it's a good backpack. If you're looking for a carry-on sized backpack, then definitely look into the Osprey 4.4 Fairview 40 liter. And speaking of Osprey backpacks, if you watched my Portugal packing video, you know that I took only the Osprey Sportlight 25 liter backpack with me on my 2-week trip to Portugal, which was interesting but worked very well. So this backpack is great for like shorter trip, like weekend trips. You can do a 2-week trip. It was quite like pushing it, but it did work for me. But this is a great backpack for hiking, for short trips, and as well as the other Osprey backpack that I have. It's super durable and the zippers work great. And I also had this on our ski trip to Levi, Lapland. So yeah, it's just a great pack overall if you're looking for something smaller, like a day back, for example. This would be a good day pack as well. Oh, by the way, this backpack also has like the space for the liquid bag, the liquid thing. So you can put like the liquid bag. Is that what it's called? The hydration pack, liquid bag, hydration pack in this backpack in the back, and then you can put the straw like here. So it works really great for even longer hikes. So the next item on my list are these Eagle Creek Packet Isolate packing cubes. These are the compression version of the cubes. And again, shout out to my boyfriend User for finding these packing cubes, because these been really great. So as you can see, there's like this zipper here, which compresses. I don't know if you can see that, maybe on the other one. I have these in 2 different sizes, and the quality of these one is really great. Obviously, these are a bit more expensive than your like your standard cheap ones from Amazon, but they've been holding up very great, like very well. Okay, let's see. So here's like the compression feature, you know, it's like this. And then when you have packed it, you can do it like zip it up like this. It's a compression packing cube, so you can't pack these packing cubes full, like completely full, like stuff them like full because then the compression like zippers don't really work, because you have to have like enough space for the zippers to work. But either way, these have been great for trips, and I'm a true believer in packing cubes. If you're looking for good packing cubes, like high quality ones, then these ones from Eagle Creek will be a good choice. Another thing that usually goes in my toiletry kit or in the liquid bag, one liquid that I love to bring is this Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 Pure Castile soap. I have this right now in citrus orange. This is quite amazing because you can wash 18 different things with this. And I usually bring this with like in this smaller tube, so it doesn't bring up too much space in my liquids. But you can wash things like your clothes, water bottle, yeah, like do dishes with it. There are so many things you can do with this, so it's a great thing to bring on your trip. But that's the last item on this list. I hope you enjoyed this video, and again, I will leave links to the products I mentioned. And yeah, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!